And I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. People think it's my hair. I don't blame you because it looks good, but no, it's not mine. It's Beautyforever's hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get our hair done. I am getting a flip over quick weave. And I just wanted to show you guys the Beautyforever bundles after they are washed and dried. They look different before you wash them. They look better after they're washed because the hair is so juicy and curly. I have 3 bundles of 22 inches. So this is what the hair looks like after it's being washed. We're gonna get a cute flip over. So excited. So yeah, this is me before, and I'll be back after I get my hair done. Okay guys, so I am back from the hair salon. This is what the hair looks like. It's been raked through. The stylist wanded like the front half of the hair, and I like how it looks. I love, 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 love how my hair came out. I did record some steps. This is a quick weave, so I'll show you kind of how we did a little bit of that. So I have majority of the hair in. I only have like a little bit of hair left. But again, this is 22 inches. And I wasn't expecting it to be this long. I don't know why I was thinking curly 22 inch was going to come up to here. But no, it's actually kind of long. So I also might cut it a little bit. But it just depends on how it looks after I finish. After like I re-wet it and let it air dry and stuff like that. But this is the hair. Super duper cute. It's super soft. It's super lightweight. I am going on a little trip, so I wanted no braids over the braids right now, and I didn't want any straight hair because it should be hot, humid. I want to be swimming, and it seems like a curly flip over is the summer's staple right now. Love that. And yeah, you can flip it. Like if I wanted a little bit more hair, I could just flip a little bit more hair. But it's basically all just laid flat how the tracks are laid. And then of course, if I want a little extra, I can do a little extra. Either way, love that for me. I can also do like a little half up, half down. Also because all my hair covers the tracks, so I can like put a clip on it, put it in a ponytail, kind of like how I did my last quick weave, but I actually had a middle part, but I was able to pull all my hair back and do like a half up, half down situation. So I love that. It's just so versatile. I love this for me. I love this. This is the natural color of the hair. I was gonna dye it, but I was also gonna dye my hair jet black. Didn't have time for that, and also I just didn't have time for that. So I'm so glad that my hair matches the color. Like, we go together. And I also wanted to add highlights. I wanted to do so much, and I honestly still could bleach some like random spots in the hair since I didn't dye it black, which I'm tempted, but I don't want to disrupt the curl pattern either. So I'm not sure. I might add a little pop of color to it, or I might just leave it like it is, but it's so cute. I love it. And y'all know I was giving myself a break from the middle parts, so a cute little, and I might even add some layers because they're all 22 inches. I have 3 bundles of 22, so I might even like, you see like how when I flip this over, it's a little shorter, so I might like cut a little bit on both sides so that when I flip it over on either side, we'll have like some, this like, why have I never gotten a flip over before? And I think it's because after a while I will probably get tired of like not having a part, but so far I love it. It's just so easy. I don't have to do nothing, and I love that. This is perfect vacation hair. And I didn't want hair that was too curly because y'all, I've been looking at so many flip overs, and I knew I didn't want anything super curly, super hard to manage. I feel like this can be managed so many ways. Like, you can wand it in a blend. You can use, I bought some skinny flexi rods to maintain my leave out overnight so I'm not curling my hair every day, because that's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works, but this is cute and I love it. So I'll show y'all, you know, how I zhuzh it up a little bit later.
figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Okay, you guys, it is the end of the day. I took my flexi rods out this morning and the curls kind of loosen up, so it kind of all just blends in and it looks so good. I absolutely love my little flip over. I think I need only flip overs. So this is how my hair is like, and like it just blends so well. It just looks so good and lush. I love it. I just wanted to show you guys how the flexi rotted hair wore throughout the day, and I love it. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. People think it's my hair. I don't blame you because it looked good, but no, it's not mine. It's Beautyforever's hair. But yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Beautyforever's information in the description box for you guys, as well as the link to this hair, because you need it. If you don't want like something super curly, something more laxed, this is the texture for you. This is it for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.